In this tutorial, I'll show you the process on how you can delete your recently played tracks on Spotify. Stick around till the end to ensure you don't miss any crucial steps. Go ahead and open your Spotify app and scroll down to view your recently played tracks. If you've listened to any songs recently, they'll be listed here. Now, let's say you want to hide this section. Simply scroll back up and tap on the settings wheel in the top right corner. Next, click on Social from the menu. Here you'll find a couple of settings to explore. The private session option allows you to listen anonymously, hiding your current activity. Another setting to check is recently played artists, because if enabled, your recently played artists are visible on your public profile. Disable this option to keep your recently played tracks private. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.